Good morning, class. I am Teacher Morina. In this morning, we will talk about food preservation. But before that, just pray first. Who wants to volunteer to lead us a prayer? Okay, thank you. Good morning, Saint Dominic, and peace be with you. So before we will start our lesson, I have a classroom rules. First, listen carefully, be active, and turn off your microphone. Do you understand, class? Okay, thank you. So now, class, before we will start our lesson, who among you here can still remember the topic last meeting? Anyone? Okay, very good. The last topic was about crafting household linens. What do we use in measuring our linens? Anyone? Okay, very good. It is a ruler, tape measure, and dressmaker gauge. So now, class, this is our objectives. Who can read? Objectives. Define what is a food preservation. Appreciate the importance of old methods of food preservation. And name some ways of food preservation. So now, class, I have here a picture and I want you to observe because after you observe, I have a question to be answered. Do you understand? Okay, very good. This is the first picture. The second. And the last one. Okay, class, what have you noticed in the pictures? Anyone? Okay, very good. It is a salted egg, a strawberry jam, and a peanut butter. So it is called a food preservation. Very good, class. So now, what is food preservation? Who can read? Food preservation is the process of treating and handling food to stop or slow down food spoilage, loss of quality or nutritional, and those allows for longer food storage. Okay, very good. In other words, food preservation can prevent spoilage food. There are different ways of preserving food. We have salting, drying, and freezing. We have two types of drying procedure, the natural and artificial. Natural. This method is depending on the sun. Artificial. This method uses artificial heated air with controlled condition of temperature. Now, class, what is freezing? Who can read? Freezing is a method that turns the food into solid state at very low temperature. Okay, very good. Thank you. Freezing, for example, like refrigerator, it can preserve the meat like chicken and fruits and beef and others. So, second one is salting. So, what is salting? Who can read, class? Anyone? Salting is a method that uses salt as its main preservative. Okay, very good, class. Salting. For example, in my homeland and Bongo Island, they are very good in terms of salting because Bongo Island is far from the city. So, There are tools and equipment used in preserving food. Okay, class. What have you observed in the pictures? Anyone? Okay, very good. It is a mixing tools. Okay, mixing tools. Who can read? Mixing tools such as wooden spoon, tongs, ladle, and turner are used for stirring and food. So class, mixing tools, it is the mixing or it is the use for mixing the food. Okay, how about this? What have you noticed in these pictures? Okay, scissors, a knife, very good. It is a cutting tools. Who can read, class? Cutting tools such as kitchen scissors, paring knife, and vegetable peeler are used to cut and peel the food. So meaning, cutting tools, it is used to cut the food like fruits. Am I right, class? Yes, very good. Okay, how about this, class? Anyone? Okay, very good. It is a measuring tools. Who can read, class? Measuring tools such as measuring cup and spoon are used to measure ingredients. So, class, a measuring cup, we will use it, a measuring cup, to cook, especially if there is a lot of it. So, class, this one. Yes, very good. A weighing scale is used to weigh ingredients. It is used to weigh the ingredients. Am I right, class? Okay, very good. Okay, how about this, class? What have you observed, class? What is this? It is? Yes, very good. It is a colander. Okay, class, who can read? Colander and strainer are used to drain fruits or vegetable after washing. So, meaning colander, class, after you washing your fruit, it is must use a colander and strainer. How about this, class? Yes, very good. It is a pots and pans. So who can read, class? Pots and pans are used as container for heating food. Meaning, it is the use of heating food, boiling food. It is the pot and pans. So class, if you want to boil or heating the food, you must use it. Okay, class? How about this one? Okay, very good. A pressure canner is used for processing low-acid food such as red meat, seafood, poultry, and vegetable. How about this, class? Okay, very good. It is a salometer. Who can read, class? A salometer is an instrument used to determine brine concentration. Okay? A salometer, class, it is used to the food, how to know if the food is brine. So how about this, class? Yes, very good. It is a blender. How about this, class? Okay, very good. A blender. A food processor is a multi-use tool and beverage to hard food like nuts and seed. So class, a blender, it is for hard food. So if you want to eat like nuts, you must use it. The second the last picture, class, it is different food preservation. Very good. What else? Yes, very good. It is a food container. So who can read, class? Food containers are used to store preserved food. Container can be plastic, ceramic, or glass, such as a jar. Okay, class, any question or clarification about the topic? Anyone? Okay, very good. So now, class, we will have a short activities. So, direction. Who can read the direction? Direction. Write true on the line if the statement is correct, and write false if it incorrect. Okay, class? I will give you 5 minutes to answer. Okay, class? Are you done? Okay. For the number 1, who can read the question? Number 1. Food preservation prevents spoilage of food. Okay. What is your answer? Okay, true. Very good. Because food preservation can prevent spoilage food. How about the number 2? Who can read, class? A colander is used to drain ingredients before washing. What is your answer? What else? Very good. What else? Thank you. Any answer, class? Okay, very good. It is a false. Because a colander is used to drain ingredients after washing. So how about the number 3? The natural method of drying is depend on the sun. Yes, very good. It is true. How about the number 4? Containers are used to store preserved food. What is your answer? Okay, very good. It is true. How about the number 5? Freezing is a method that turns the food into solid state and very low temperature. What is your answer, class? Okay, very good. This is true. Okay. Who is the perfect? Okay, very good. Okay, class. What is food preservation? Anyone? Anyone, class? Food preservation is the process of treating and handling food to stop or slow down food spoilage, loss or quality or nutritional, and those allow for longer food storage. Okay, very good, class. So, what are the 2 types of drying procedure? Anyone, class? Okay, very good. There are natural and artificial drying food. So, class, how can food preservation can help financially? Okay, very good. Food preservation can help financially because it prevents spoilage food. Okay, class? Do you have any question or clarification? Okay, very good. So now, class, we will have a short activity. Direction. Can you read the direction? Direction. Name the following tools and equipment used in the following. Okay, class, I will give you 5 2 minutes to answer. Okay, class, are you done? Okay, next. Okay, class, are you done? Okay, very good. Next picture. Okay, class, are you done? Okay, very good. Let's check. Okay, what is the answer of the number 1 picture? Okay, very good. It is a salometer. How about the question number 2? Okay, very good, class. It is a measuring tools. Question number 3. Anyone? Okay, very good. It is a cutting tools. How about the number 4 question? Anyone, class? Okay, very good. It is a container. Food. Tools. The last question, class. Okay, very good. It is a blender. Who's perfect, class? Wow, clap yourself. Very good, class. And thank you.